Welcome to Smart English, the channel that makes learning English fun, easy, and smart.
Here, we bring you real conversations from daily life, at the cafe, in the office, traveling, and more, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
With every video, you'll learn new words, expressions, and speaking tips, all through simple, smart conversations.
So if you're ready to improve your English the smart way, hit subscribe and join us today. Smart English. Learn fast. Speak smart. The conversation title is First Day at Work.
Hey there, you must be new.
Yeah, I'm Anna. Today's my first day.
Welcome, Anna. I'm Daniel. I sit right over there.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. Honestly, I feel a little lost already.
Don't worry, we all felt that way on our first day. What department are you in?
Marketing.
Same as me. Looks like we'll be working together a lot.
That's good to know. Everyone seems so busy, I wasn't sure who to talk to.
Yeah, Mondays are always a little crazy here, but it gets better.
I hope so. I was already worried I might click the wrong button on this system.
Trust me, I've been here 3 years, and I still click the wrong button. Sometimes.
That makes me feel better.
So, what did you do before joining us?
I worked at a small agency, mostly social media campaigns.
Nice. We definitely need your skills. Here, big clients, bigger expectations.
Sounds exciting and scary.
Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it.
This office is bigger than I expected.
Yeah, it can feel like a maze at first. Want me to give you a quick tour during lunch?
That would be amazing. Thank you.
No problem. And hey, our coffee machine is famous around here.
Famous for good coffee?
For terrible coffee. You'll see.
So, what's the boss like?
Honestly, tough, but fair. If you do your work well, you'll be fine.
That's a relief. I've had some pretty scary bosses before.
Haven't we all? But here, teamwork matters more. People actually help each other.
That's nice to hear. Oh, did I just break something?
Nope, that's just the notification sound. You got your first email.
Oh, good. I thought I crashed the system on my first day.
Don't worry, that record's already mine.
Thanks, Daniel. You're making this day much less stressful.
Anytime. I remember how it felt. So, this is our little cafe. Sandwiches, coffee, snacks, and a vending machine that eats your coins.
Good to know. I'll stick to the sandwiches.
Smart choice.